for people who don't know what an EDP is, just like many organizations in the market, an EDP is a multi-year commitment program for customers. So in AWS language, we call it EDP. The more popular name is PPA, what is called Private Pricing Agreement, which means that a customer can look at what their current spends are, what their projected organic or possibly inorganic growths that they anticipate in the coming years, and they commit that kind of a consumption to AWS for multiple years. So that's what a AWS EDP construct is. Like most of the customers, like it's a journey for them. For new customers who are just starting in, they'll possibly look at adding new workloads or running new applications or getting some additional services. There are close to 200 plus services from AWS which are available to customers. Now for a customer who is new in their journey, they would need a lot of hand-holding and understanding what is going to be sustainable. So I would suggest customers who are in their journey where they have understood what is working out well for them, who are a bit confident about, okay, that these are ABC, XYZ services from AWS that they want to continue using for a long period of time. And they're looking for partners like, let's say, CloudKeeper to come in and talk about or maybe share their insights in terms of how they have helped other customers optimize that cost. And even after that optimization, if a certain threshold is meeting, then the customer can look at committing that for a multiple period of years. So all in all, if I'm a customer who has stabilized the applications and the workloads which are running on top of AWS infrastructure, and I want to continue using it for a longer period of time, and I want to reap maximum commercial and technological benefits out of it, I should rather consider getting into a private pricing agreement or EDP from AWS. As an AWS representative, like we across the country and I think worldwide, our theme for last couple of years and going forward is going to be partners everywhere. So when we meet our customers, when we work with our customers, we advocate a lot of collaboration through partners, whether it is about having migration or whether it is having about optimization on the commercial side, whether it is app modernization or generative AI. As AWS, we work with multiple customers in multiple geographies and multiple industry segments. And similarly, our partners, they kind of work with customers day in, day out as well. So there could be partners who are working with 10 different customers and they are gathering learnings from all those 10 different customers. And the same set of people who are managing those customers from partners are gathering all that market insights, all those demand signals, and they are practicing all those competency in real world. So it kind of is more helpful for customers. See, for a customer, there could be two types of projects. One type of projects is like, I would like to call a day-to-day regular project, like regular maintenance, regular DevOps. Like these things, customers generally have their own technology team to manage. But there could be a lot of innovation that they would want to do in a longer run. And innovation is the key to growth for all organizations across the world, not just in India. Now, for them to be able to keep innovating, they need that bandwidth. That entire workforce of customers, they would need that bandwidth. So partners can come in and support the customers in doing all those day-to-day migrations, modernizations, and DevOps projects. While the customer's core team in technology, they can focus on innovation. And especially talking about generative AI or data ML, partners can come in very handy in trying in different proof of concepts. Like there could be 10 ideas that a customer has, but they don't have bandwidth to test all those 10 out. They can bring in partners who have experience doing similar proof of concepts with other customers in the market. They can come and do those proofs of concepts, do those experimentation, so the customer can identify that, okay, out of these 10 ideas, these are 3 ideas which are successful potentially, and I should scale them. So they can start focusing on that. So this is a nutshell in terms of why customers should work with partners on the technological side, and any which ways on the commercial side, like similar to private pricing agreements and commercials, there are multiple options, multiple programs that AWS and partners collaboratively offer to customers that customers can benefit from. But one thing I really liked, and I think it clicked with me, especially around cost optimization and focusing on EDPs or private pricing agreements of AWS. That's one differentiator that I have seen in the market. I've been working with multiple partners day in, day out. We've been part of multiple partner campaigns that they drive, where they bring in customers. They talk about their differentiation in terms of what competencies they bring. I think this is the first of a kind campaign through a partner with CloudKeeper that I've seen, where you're focusing on your value proposition to the market as a specialized, as an expert in doing AWS EDPs or private pricing agreements. So I think that's one thing which definitely stood out for me.